One, two, three, go. Once upon a time, there was a boy whose name was Makata. He was an orphan, for his father and mother died when he was very young. He had no brothers, sisters, cousins, or friends to take care of him, so he had to make a living from himself. He did every kind of work, carrying heavy things, clearing away the forest, or feeding pigs. He never idled, although he was paid only small wages. He was satisfied, knew that if he could not work, he would starve. Wherever he went, his employer praised him for being sensible, hardworking, hindi, maglakad ka dito. Good temper and cheerful. One fine evening, after he had finished chopping up a big pile of wood, he sat down to rest and thought all he would like to do in the future. He wanted to try his luck in far-off strange lands, for he longed for exciting adventures.
I would like to go on a journey for adventure. I heard that the land is fertile, and the people are kind.
Go.
I wish I could see the land for myself.
Pose. Go. Pause. Sometime later, Makato decided to try his fortune. He left his village and set out the wide world. He walked along cheerfully, enjoying new insights and talking to the people he met on the way. Sometime later, Makato decided to try his fortune. He left his village and set out in the world. One, two, three, go. He walked along cheerfully, enjoying new insights and talking to the people on the way. Wait lang. He met on the way.